Some sharks are larger than a bus, while others are small enough to fit into your hand. Together, they have survived on Earth for more than 400 million years, making them far older than the dinosaurs. In this journey, we'll discover how sharks became one of nature's greatest success stories. Explore the remarkable adaptations that have helped them survive for hundreds of millions of years. Meet some of the ocean's most fascinating species and uncover the hidden world beneath the waves. So settle in, relax, and let's begin. Long before dinosaurs walked the land, before birds filled the skies, and before the first flowers bloomed, sharks were already swimming through Earth's ancient seas. Their ancestors appeared more than 400 million years ago, making them one of the oldest groups of vertebrates still living today. Across that vast stretch of time, continents drifted, mountains rose, and several mass extinctions transformed life on Earth. Yet, sharks remained. While countless other groups disappeared, they continued adapting to an ever-changing world. Part of the answer lies in a body design refined over an immense span of time. Instead of bone, their skeletons are made from strong, flexible cartilage. The same material found in the tip of your nose and your ears. Lighter than bone, it helps many species swim efficiently while using less energy. Their senses are equally impressive. They can detect faint scents carried by ocean currents, hear low-frequency sounds from great distances, and see well in the dim light of dawn, dusk, and deeper water. They also possess an additional sense unlike any humans have. Tiny pores around the snout, called the ampullae of Lorenzini, detect the weak electrical signals produced by nearby animals, allowing prey to be found even when concealed beneath the sand or in complete darkness. Their skin is just as carefully designed. Covered in thousands of tiny, tooth-like denticles, it reduces drag and helps them glide smoothly through the water. Despite their reputation, there is no such thing as a typical shark. Some patrol coral reefs, others cruise beneath Arctic ice, while many spend their lives in the deep ocean. Some hunt seals, while others feed almost entirely on drifting plankton. One grows longer than a school bus, while another is barely larger than a pencil. Scientists have identified more than 500 living species, and new ones continue to be discovered. The familiar faces are only the beginning. In the chapters ahead, we'll meet some of the world's best-known sharks before discovering many lesser-known relatives that are just as fascinating. The great white shark is perhaps the world's best-known shark and one of the ocean's most powerful predators. Found mainly in cool and temperate coastal waters, it can grow to around 6 meters long and weigh more than 2 tons. Its powerfully built body, muscular tail, and finely tuned senses make it an exceptionally capable hunter. A great white's mouth contains several rows of sharp, serrated teeth. As older teeth become damaged or fall out, new ones continually move forward to replace them throughout its life. Although famous for dramatic hunting scenes, great whites spend much of their time cruising through the ocean, conserving energy before accelerating with astonishing speed. When hunting seals, they can burst clear of the water in one of nature's most spectacular displays. It is built for patience, not constant pursuit. There are several species of hammerhead, including the great hammerhead, scalloped hammerhead, and bonnethead. All are instantly recognizable by the broad, flattened head that gives the family its name. That unusual shape serves several important purposes. It provides a wider field of vision, places the nostrils farther apart to help locate scents, and spreads thousands of electrical sensors across a much larger surface. Together, these features make hammerheads especially skilled at finding prey buried beneath the sand. Some species also behave in ways rarely seen among sharks. Tiger sharks live in warm tropical and subtropical seas around the world. Young animals display dark stripes along their bodies, giving the species its name. Rather than specializing in one type of prey, they investigate almost anything that might be edible, feeding on fish, rays, turtles, seabirds, squid, and many other animals. This flexibility allows them to thrive in a wide variety of habitats. At up to 18 meters in length, the whale shark is the largest fish on Earth. Yet it feeds on some of the smallest creatures in the ocean, filtering plankton, fish eggs, and other tiny animals from the water as it swims with its wide mouth open. Every whale shark carries its own distinctive pattern of pale spots and stripes, rather like a human fingerprint. Scientists use these markings to identify individuals as they migrate through tropical seas. The world's largest fish survives on some of the ocean's smallest creatures. The short-fin mako is widely regarded as the fastest shark in the ocean. Its narrow body and powerful crescent-shaped tail allow it to chase some of the fastest fish in the sea, including tuna and swordfish. Makos are famous for their athletic ability and can leap several meters clear of the water during powerful bursts of speed. Unlike many fish, parts of their bodies remain warmer than the surrounding seawater, helping their muscles perform at their best. Bull sharks are among the few that can live in both saltwater and freshwater. Specialized organs carefully regulate the balance of salt and water inside their bodies, allowing them to travel far up rivers where most other sharks could never survive. Some have been recorded hundreds, and in some cases thousands, of kilometers inland. Very few sharks can follow a river inland. The bull shark can. These are the sharks most people know, but they represent only a handful of a family containing more than 500 living species. Beyond these familiar faces are hundreds more, each solving the challenges of life beneath the waves in its own way. From coral reefs to the deepest ocean trenches, sharks have found a home in almost every habitat beneath the waves. Some weave through colorful reefs, while others roam the open ocean far beyond the sight of land. Some patrol shallow coastlines, while others inhabit icy northern seas or the darkness of the deep ocean. Most breathe by drawing water across their gills. Many do this while swimming almost continuously, while nurse sharks and wobbegongs can rest quietly on the seabed by pumping water across their gills. Hunting takes many forms. Thresher sharks stun schools of fish with their long tails. Saw sharks sweep their toothed snouts through the sand to uncover prey. Angel sharks lie buried beneath the sand before bursting upwards in ambush. While carpet sharks rely on camouflage instead of speed. Members of the shark family have made almost every part of the ocean their home. Blacktip and whitetip reef sharks spend much of their lives among coral reefs. Blue sharks cross vast stretches of open water, while lemon sharks favor sheltered mangrove forests and shallow coastal nurseries. Greenland sharks drift through Arctic waters, where some may live for more than 250 years. No single design could thrive everywhere. Instead, each species has found its own way to survive. From sunlit coral reefs to the deepest waters, from tropical seas to the frozen Arctic, sharks have quietly mastered almost every corner of the world's oceans. Every life begins in the same way, as a tiny embryo developing inside an egg. What happens next, however, depends on the species. Some lay tough, leathery egg cases that are anchored to rocks or seaweed. Often called mermaids' purses, these protective cases shield the developing embryo until it hatches. Others give birth to live young. Some develop using only a yolk sac, while others receive nutrients from their mother in a way that closely resembles a mammal's placenta. When the young are born or hatch, they are completely independent. No parent protects them or teaches them how to hunt. From their very first moments, they must rely on instinct. Many spend their earliest weeks in sheltered nursery areas, such as mangrove forests, shallow bays, and seagrass meadows. These sheltered waters provide food and some protection, although danger is never far away. For many, growing up takes years, sometimes decades. Because many produce relatively few young and take years to reach adulthood, recovering after population declines can take decades. From a tiny embryo protected inside an egg case to a confident hunter crossing the open ocean, every journey begins with the same simple challenge: to survive. The famous species are only a small part of the story. Beyond the familiar faces lies an underwater world filled with creatures that seem almost impossible to believe. Scientists have identified more than 500 living species, and many look unlike anything most people imagine when they hear the word shark. The goblin shark lives in the deep sea, where sunlight never reaches. Its long snout is covered with sensitive organs, while its remarkable jaws can suddenly shoot forwards to seize prey. The cookie-cutter shark is only about the size of a rabbit, yet it feeds on animals many times larger than itself by taking neat, circular bites before vanishing back into the darkness. The basking shark is the world's second largest fish, yet it survives by slowly filtering tiny plankton from the water as it drifts through cooler seas with its huge mouth wide open. At the opposite extreme is the dwarf lantern shark. Small enough to fit comfortably in your hand, it produces its own faint glow, helping it disappear into the dim waters of the deep ocean. The frilled shark has an eel-like body and rows of needle-sharp teeth. It looks more like a creature from another age than a modern fish. Elsewhere are thresher sharks, using tails as hunting tools. Saw sharks, sweeping blade-like snouts across the seabed. Angel sharks, hidden beneath the sand. And epaulette sharks that can even walk across the seabed using their fins. The deeper we explore, the more surprises the ocean reveals. Perhaps the strangest sharks are still waiting to be discovered. Sharks do far more than hunt. By keeping prey populations in balance, they help coral reefs, seagrass meadows, and the open ocean remain healthy. Today, many species face increasing pressure from fishing, habitat loss, and pollution. Because many grow slowly and produce relatively few young, recovering after population declines can take decades. Yet there is reason for hope. Scientists are tracking migrations, protecting important nursery areas, and learning more each year about where different species feed, breed, and travel. Every new discovery helps guide better conservation. Healthy oceans need healthy shark populations. After hundreds of millions of years, they are still helping shape life beneath the waves. From tiny lantern sharks glowing in the darkness, to gentle whale sharks drifting through tropical seas, the world of sharks is far richer and more varied than it first appears. Each has found its own way to survive, through speed, patience, camouflage, strength, or extraordinary senses. Perhaps that is their greatest lesson. There is no single way to succeed in nature. The next time you picture a shark, perhaps you'll see more than rows of sharp teeth. You'll see an animal perfectly suited to its place in the ocean, quietly helping to keep that world in balance. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the hidden world of sharks. We'd love to have you with us for future journeys. Until next time, keep wondering.